Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi Auto-Join on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to swipe up and go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are connecting to and go down to the middle of the screen and tap on Auto Join. So tap on this button to turn off or on. Now, as the name suggested, whenever you are within a Wi-Fi network, your phone will automatically join to a network. So we'll attempt to join to a network in this preference of order, or in this order of preferences. So we'll try to connect to the most preferred network, and if it failed, it goes on to the next one. So it will try to connect to a private networks, and lastly it will try to connect to the public networks. And so if you don't want to use auto join, you can switch it off, so that if you are within that Wi-Fi network and you don't want to join that particular network, you can simply turn it off, so your phone will not attempt to automatically join. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.